Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Concatenating two vectors, dynamically allocated arrays, in C, a detailed tutorial. This tutorial explores how to concatenate two vectors, dynamically allocated arrays, in C. We'll cover the concepts involved, the reasons why dynamic allocation is often preferred, different approaches, and potential pitfalls, all with detailed code examples. Why concatenate vectors? Concatenation, in the context of vectors, means joining the elements of two vectors into a single, combined vector. This is a common operation in various programming scenarios, such as data processing, combining data from different sources into a unified dataset. String manipulation, if your vector holds character data, building larger strings from smaller parts. Algorithm implementation, certain algorithms might require merging data structures. Why dynamic allocation? In C, vectors are typically implemented using